nasty. These are some black ripped jeans. And I'll wear this top. That's gonna look really good. With some boots. Wow, I have boots. Oh god, can that stop? The best place is that this place is not cold, guys. I just can't stand cold. Anyways, day 6. Admission to Sky Point Observation Deck. Exciting day at Dream World, Theme Park and Zoo. Wow. So we inquired if sometimes there's entry to the adventure parks, but then there won't be entry to the rides. You have to pay extra, and that just sucks. So when we inquired that, it is included. Again, Thomas Cook plus point. So post breakfast, take your coach towards Dream World. Upon arrival, enjoy the day at Dream World. This Dream World is at Gold Coast. So if you are an adventure person, you should definitely go to Gold Coast. So whether you're a thrill seeker, wildlife lover, or prefer a more relaxed ride or slide, Dream World has the perfect experience for you. So there are thrill rides like Tailspin, Tower of Terror, Giant Drop, Buzzsaw, Hot Wheels and Sidewinder, Mick Doohan's Moto Coaster, Pandemonium, The Claw and many more attractions. Oh yeah, also like the rides at Disney World is unmatched. Like the details, the effects, the variety, the whole atmosphere, the vibe. Like once you go there, like the other places are like to you. Not a flex, but we've been to the Disneyland in the US and Paris, and it's just wow. You can't explain. And the food there is nice too, like such varieties of food. I mean, yeah, it's all sugary, but the different varieties. It's a little expensive, yes. We had to have like little slices of pizzas. Also, the slices of pizzas are huge in the US. Also, the Ferrari World in Dubai, we got on the fastest roller coaster there, and that was like, like the skin on your face goes back. Like that's how bad it was. So I hope it's not something like that because I regretted it after I got on it. My sister, did she come? No, my sister did not come. This is me and my dad. My dad was like, wow, I loved it. I was like, I'm alive. Anyways, we'll be going there. So these are rides. I cannot wear a frock or a dress. So after this, proceed to Sky Point Observation Deck. Sky Point is an observation deck located 230 meters off the ground at the top of the Q1 on the Gold Coast. Sky Point Observation Deck is Australia's only beachside observation deck. Take in expansive views of Gold Coast coastline, Gold Coast hinterlands and Pacific Ocean from Australia's tallest building. Enjoy a delicious dinner at an Indian restaurant. So I'll be wearing the cargo pants and okay, so what is a good airport outfit? I'm still not sure. You know what? I'll wear this at the airport. This will look good. It will look like I'm going to Bali, but I don't mind. See? Oh! It's like a cord. It's like a cord set, and it kind of looks like an airport outfit. So I'll be wearing this in one of the airports. It looks nice. I like it, and it's comfortable. Let's roll that up. So we went to a thrift store, and this just screamed airport to me for some reason. Does it to you guys? Like it just has something airport about it. I don't know. So I want to wear this with the cargo pants to one of the airports. So I'll be wearing this, but it's going to be cold. So I'll be wearing a sweatshirt too. I'll show you the sweatshirt. I had once gone to a hospital, alright, and the waiting was really long. So I was like, I'll just step out and like there was a shop close by and I went in. It was a little shop. It was like a bargain shop kind of, and I saw this and I was like, that looks really good. It was so good that I went back another day all the way there. It's near my grandma's house, okay, it's pretty far. And I got another one, matching one for my friend. So yeah, I'll be wearing this. It's nice, it's oversized. I got the baggy one on purpose to like get the drip. Okay. So to the theme park, I don't know what I want to wear. Something half sleeved because it's going to be sunny. So I'll wear the cargo pants. I feel like wearing something wacky like this, like it's like theme park if you get it. Or sadly that's all the clothes I have. So or this I mean I have a lot of traditional clothes and then it's formal. This doesn't look theme parkish, right? It's too like classy. So I think I'll go with this. Now welcome to Gold Coast, day 7. Wow, it feels long now. You watch in the Australia vlogs. I'm gonna be like anyways. Movie World, Hollywood and Gold Coast with lunch. Today after an American breakfast at the hotel, we will visit Movie World. Guys, oh my god. Ah, I'm determined. I'm gonna keep recording the video. Today, after an American breakfast at the hotel, we will visit Movie World. We will be going to Warner Brothers Movie World. Warner Brothers has like of Looney Tunes, like our entire childhood basically, where movie magic happens every day. Enjoy local lunch with soft drinks included. Okay, I don't drink soft drinks. Meet your favorite stars and enjoy all behind the scenes actions, comedy stunts, along with exhilarating rides, shows, and attractions like Superman Escape, Green Lantern, Scooby Doo, and have a chance of meeting and taking off on the ultimate Batwing space short ride. And then again, Indian dinner. Yeah, this happened in Disneyland too. All these like characters come dressed, and in the US there were these live stunts like where there was like there's a controlled area and there's a real fire and real buildings breaking and people in those action movies doing those stunts, fight scenes, and car chases. That was really good. Like we were right on time, and they closed the entrance right after that. So we were like, phew! Like somehow we reached the right places at the right time. And something funny happened at Hollywood. You know the Hollywood Walk of Fame. There are like these stars, in which there are actual stars' names written, like Michael Jackson and all those. And like ironically, people like walk on them. It's on the sidewalk, and like people take photos. So when we went there, they showed us like. Ironically, we did not see the place where you could view the Hollywood sign, you know, the iconic sign. All of a sudden, without even a map, our dad is like, come. And we're like, where? And he starts walking fast. We're like, where are you going? I think you watched a video or something. I don't know. He's just walking and climbing stairs and going on escalators. And we're like, Dad, where are you going? And all of a sudden he stopped and he's like, look there. And we look and it's the sign. And we're like, how did you know? Like intuition or like man sense? I don't get it. And they were taking all those photos and I don't know why it was not included in the trip. So that was something like wow. It was like a wow factor. Anyways. So if that does something like that this time, I'll record it. Anyways. So next one, flight to Sydney. Another flight. I do not have airport clothes anymore. It's not a joke. I'll be wearing this. So after breakfast, proceed to the airport, arrive and proceed to the guided Sydney Cricket Ground, the famous cricket ground, a fascinating behind-the-scenes walking tour of Sydney's home of sport. Stand where the sporting heroes play cricket, rugby, football and AFL. Here entertaining stories of players, spectators and events. Later, experience the beautiful harbour cruise. This is like a real proper cruise, like the cruise. We have been to a cruise only once before, and this was in Stena Hollandica when we went to Holland. And you can't actually sleep on cruises. So if you guys are planning on going on a cruise, please don't go for more than a day. And the smell of the sea, but it's a good experience, yes. Oh my god, I'm not saying that's not a good experience. With one cocktail or champagne and Indian snack. That's also Indian. Enjoy Indian dinner. Okay, you know what, I'm used to it at this point. Cruise. Oh yeah. There's even a dress code on the cruise in the last page. I'll show you. So, where is it? So, I am planning to wear traditionals, but wearing traditionals in Australia, I don't know. I'm not quite sure, but I am planning to wear either or this. Look at this. The whole, like the neck and the design and the color and this little ruffle here, it gives Japanese vibes, and I think I'll wear this on the cruise, right? This is a little more casual, but this like says that this is like statement. So I think I'll wear this. Also, some of these are clothes I bought specifically for the trip. Before this, I used to dress homeless almost everywhere. You can ask like any of my friends, they'll be like homeless. So now is when I have started dressing up a little. So I'll wear that. Cruise, I'll wear one more outfit too, which will be this. Let's see. It's day 9. It's almost getting over. Woo! So, rest during the day and enjoy the New Year Eve's party tonight. Oh yeah, something happened. We're going to like a party place where people below 18 are not allowed. And my sister was below 18, but she turned 18 1 month before the trip, like November's her birthday. And I was the one who noticed that clause. It was written in small, like what if it was not allowed? And I was like, whoa, that was close. So in Sydney, have leisure breakfast at the hotel and day free for leisure to explore on our own. Again, we have to do the work. Evening, you will be taken to a premium space to view the fireworks. Fancy? We'll be celebrating New Year in Australia. Enjoy the party and transfer back to hotel after midnight. So what do I wear for a New Year party? Okay, so day is for leisure. So I will be maybe wearing this or that. It depends, guys. So I wear either this. I almost forgot about this. I want to wear this. I'll wear this. I'll wear this. And for the New Year's thing, I'm not sure what I will. This, and I'll wear something inside. But I think this is too simple. Maybe I'll exchange this with something else. Like I'll wear this for New Year. I'll see. Oh wait, I could wear this. I have a nice frock for this. Let me show you. By the way, I have these tops I never wear. This screams beachy too. We got this from Goa, I believe. This is the one. In the beachy place where I will be wearing the outfit. I think I'll wear this on top, to make it a little different. Whoops. Ooh. Okay, see, I have this dress. This is new too. But the thing is, I have to wear something underneath. So, what shall I wear? It's a question. I'll figure something out, but I want to wear this. I want to wear like a full sleeve top in it. Maybe black, like a turtleneck. I don't know if I'll destroy it, so I need to try something on. Anyways, see, and here we're staying at Hotel ADGE, ADGE, Hotels and Residences. No. So on the second last day, explore the landmarks of Sydney, the Rocks area, Harbour Bridge, Bondi Beach on the exciting city tour. Visit the Sydney Tower and enjoy a guided tour of world-renowned Sydney Opera House and a fun-filled jet boat ride, which will also be included. I don't see the point of doing rides outside. We get this a lot in India, so I'd prefer to rather see places instead. So after an American breakfast, proceed on an exciting tour of Sydney. We go to the busy CBD area, Central Business District, I'm assuming, Hyde Park, Mrs. Macquarie's chair. Okay. As you enjoy 360-degree spin on a high-speed drifting jet boat ride. And an Indian dinner. Okay, so this is gonna be like activities. So I can wear this with something to make it look like I have a different outfit. With this bag or this bag. I think this is better, and this is like more for the dresses. I literally don't have space. And after a boxed breakfast again, we check out and proceed to the airport for the flight back home. Do spare a few minutes to share your feedback with your tour manager. Arrive home with your pleasant memories of your Australian extravaganza tour, which we are sure you will treasure for a lifetime. I hope in the positive way. And that's all about it. So yeah, thank you for packing with me. I mean, I haven't actually packed. Anyways, I will also be posting outfit videos, so you guys will get to see what I wore, and if I actually wore what I said I will wear. I'm hungry. So see you in the next video, and stay tuned for the Australian trip video.